Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. And as you can see, today we're in the kitchen. We're making a simple banana bread recipe. I will have the original pin listed below as well as the recipe itself. So for my bananas, I mashed up three large bananas. In this bowl, I mixed together 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to set that aside. I also have 1/3 cup of melted butter. I have a 1/4 cup of milk, and we have 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And my oven is already preheated to 375 degrees, and I have my loaf pan already greased. All right, so it says take our bananas, and we're going to add to that the melted butter and the sugar and the butter and the milk. Okay, we're going to mix all this together. We're going to get all this mixed up, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the egg. All right, that looks pretty good. It's going to add in the egg. Get all that incorporated. Then we're going to add in the vanilla. Now, I've made banana bread in the past, but I've never used cinnamon in the banana bread, so I'm definitely curious to see if that's going to add a nice spice to it. Alright, so then we're going to add the flour mixture until that is well incorporated. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time. You don't want to over mix it, just kind of get it in there and incorporated. And it bakes for 40 to 45 minutes, or until toothpick in the center comes out clean. It smells good. I also did not add walnuts to it. I do like a banana nut bread, but I didn't have any walnuts, so. Just get all that flour incorporated. Alright, we are just about almost there. Just want to make sure I don't see any white flour flecks. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. Alright, bring in our loaf pan. Like I said, I did grease that and added some parchment paper. And I just added some binder clips on the side to keep the parchment paper in place. I want to get all that goodness in there. Take that and just kind of spread it out even. Alright, so this is going to go in the oven. You can set it at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean, and I will come back with you guys and see what that looks like. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, we are back with our banana bread. It smells really good. It took about 45 to 50 minutes in my oven. I did leave it in the pan on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to take this out and have a look at it. Looks really good on the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and cut a piece. I'm not an end person, so I'm going to grab this piece here. Okay. Okay, well, it looks really good, really moist. Hope you're able to see that. Smells really good. I don't really smell the cinnamon too much. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. It's still nice and warm. I think it's good. I don't taste the cinnamon. It's definitely banana-y, if that's even a word. I definitely taste the bananas, and you can see I didn't pulverize them, so I still have like little banana bits in there. I think it would be better if there was walnuts in it, but overall, I'd say, I would say 10 out of 10. I think it's pretty good. Nice and moist, as you can see here. It's not dry at all. Alright, so there you have it, our Pinterest-inspired project, banana bread. Like I said, I would give it a 10. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. Don't forget I will have the pin that inspired this linked below, and also the recipe. Alright, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.